give up or I'll bury you.
No way! You may control the Earth, Agrom, but I rule everything above it!
Really? Because all I'm seeing from you is a lot of hot air.
Look and learn, Earther. Tornado style!
Unleash the power of Earth!
Unleash the power of air! Air is movement, motion, energy. The do-nothing Earth's natural sovereign.
Do nothing? Earth is everything. Without it, what's the point? Even you walk on the Earth.
Aerial attack! Advantage air!
Counter with mighty rock ball! Rock hard defenses! Advantage Earth!
My quick reflexes give me a big advantage in battle.
My earthly power is all I need.
Of course, Lord Agrum. But how do you expect to win a real battle if you're stuck to the ground?
That's not fair!
Fair? What's not fair is that I'm stuck with you instead of someone who knows what they're doing. Huh? Who are you? State your name.
That's just old sage. I'd like to introduce Prince Noctis, who assisted me in a fight.
I did more than assist.
I already know of Prince Noctis and the bravery he's shown fighting alongside you. And he's a Gormiti lord.
Since you're so obviously wise, old sage, maybe you can help solve our argument. Explain why the Air Gormiti is the natural leader of this mission.
Obviously, you should tell Airhead here. Earth Gormiti are the leaders.
Neither of you will lead anything if Lord Magor has anything to say about it. More importantly, you should turn your attention to what I see. Something is threatening the Gormstone in this water kingdom.
What do you see, old sage?
I suggest you look with more than your eyes.
I don't see anything.
There's something inside the wave! Quantinous vision!
Quantinous vision!
Whoa! You wanted to lead so bad? He's all yours!
Maybe it's for practice.
You cover the beast from above somewhere!
Fine. Hold the ground.
Okay, here goes!
Don't worry, he doesn't bite unless he's hungry, or protecting the younglings, or he doesn't like you. Lucky for you, he's none of the above, at the moment. This beast is Klaxus, and he's more pet than monster. As you can see, if approached properly, he's really very gentle. Unless you make him angry. Go on, Klaxus! Then he's a terrible thing to behold.
I am Agrum, Prince of the Great Earth Kingdom.
I am Noctis of the Air Kingdom, also a prince.
Are you by chance a water Gormiti?
Why do you ask?
Well, I'm just assuming. I mean, water, shells. We're in search of something important, and maybe you can help.
It's true, I am a water Gormiti, but I'm sorry to say, I doubt I can help you.
We may be wasting our time. He doesn't seem very smart. What if they're all like him?
He's reserved, that's for sure. Even though 2 strangers have shown up on his beach, he was calm.
So, I imagine you want to see our Gormstone.
What?
Why?
So
how did you...
It's obvious. If you want to see it, follow me.
Unleash the powers of Earth! Quantinous vision! Gormiti of the Earth, I need a way to follow over the water!
Unleash the power of the air! Quantinous vision! Gormiti of the air! I could use a vehicle built for speed.
Haha, this rocks! Ah, and you thought it was gonna smell like fish.
Ha!
Come inside.
I hope they don't make a big fuss.
I agree, they should only make a small banquet.
And maybe a parade or two. Oh, where is everyone?
All the water Gormiti have gathered together to crown our new king.
Well, that sounds cool.
This is fortunate. I know it's hard to believe from my humble demeanor, but I am royalty myself.
You know, now that you've mentioned it, you've said that before.
I want to speak with the new king straight away.
I'm afraid you'll have to wait. The new king has yet to be crowned. This is the throne room, and as you can see, the throne is empty.
How is the new king chosen?
Through battle.
Huh?
Whomever defeats the Klaxis earns the Gormstone and becomes the new lord of the water people.
Can anyone battle for the water throne?
Only the kingdom's princes are allowed to fight.
We should meet these princes before the new king's selected.
Well, you've already met one.
Huh? You? Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Paran! What is the meaning of this? These are outsiders. They have no place in our sacred rite. You must send them away.
Allow me to introduce you to the other prince of our world, my brother Duran. These two have crossed the Great Wall into our kingdom and have important news to share. We must allow them to speak.
After the ceremony is complete and I am king, I will listen to what they have to say.
Does this guy remind you of anyone, Noctis? Between the both of them, Paran seems more reasonable.
Don't you see that Duran is the obvious choice of his people?
My people!
He's just loved by his people.
Goodbye, father. We only hoped one of us would be half the king you were.
The people may love Duran, but it's obvious that Paran loves the people. I'm not sure about Duran.
Huh? What's going on?
There's gotta be a fire if there's smoke. Unleash the power of
Unleash
Earth!
the power of air!
Smell that? I'd know that smell anywhere.
Agron, back for another fight? Or do you want to die right now? Didn't you learn your lesson the first time?
You were the one who should have learned a lesson, hothead.
You best run back home, little lord, if a few broken steps can stop you. Pathetic dirtling.
Quantinous vision. Guys, I could use some repair work. Chew on this, hot breath.
You learn nothing, dirtling. I am a soldier of the lava people. All other Gormiti will bow before Lord Magor or burn.
Bow to this furious wind twist!
Thanks, Noctis. I can take it from here.
Forget it, Rocky!
Great. Not too arrogant.
If you hadn't gotten in my way, it could have led us to victory!
Oh, sure. If you had focused on our enemy instead of worrying about your precious ego. Up there, now!
Right behind you!
Let's split up. He's hiding.
What is he doing there in the first place?
Maybe he's attempting to assassinate the new king. Or maybe the water Gormiti are aligning with the volcano Gormiti, like your father did.
Do not speak ill of my father!
Lords of Gorm, hear me.
Is it Fire Spitter?
Could be. Show yourself, you coward!
What's going on?
Rum, Noctis, come to me. There is little time.
How do you know my name?
I know you both a long time.
But who are you?
Glass Empress, a friend of old Sage.
That guy has friends? Sorry, I didn't know.
Do you have a message from him?
The water Gormiti's Gormstone is in jeopardy. You must stop Magor.
We know that. That's what we're trying to do.
You need to put aside your petty squabbles. Work together. Magor cannot secure the stone.
You're not telling me anything I don't know, but is there any chance you can tell me where to find him?
What do you mean, me? What happened to team? Tell us what to do, Glass Empress.
If Magor got his hands on the stone, the result would be too terrible to contemplate.
I gotta say, this is a strange world. Okay, I have a plan.
Wait a minute. She didn't say you were the leader. Besides, we can't just crash into the middle of the water. Where are you going? Sounds to me like you're planning some kind of intrusion.
They're beginning the King's Right ceremony. We have to stop Fire Spitter before a new king is named. Huh?
In other words, fast!
To protect the Gormstone.
I'll go on ahead.
I don't want to fight you, brother.
What are you saying? According to our traditions, you must!
I don't want to hurt you. Or the Klaxis.
Hurt me? What are you talking about, you fool?
I'm proud to be a prince of the Water Kingdom. But this is wrong.
The rules are clear. We must fight one another to the fullest of our abilities, or neither of us can take the crown. I will be king!
Let the rites begin.
Guess who? Sorry, guess this isn't gonna be your day, Fire Spitter.
Now you will pay for your foolish arrogance.
Heads up, hotshot. It's time to rock.
We must escape, my lord.
Stop immediately, I command you! You are ruining the rites, huh? What's happening here?
Drop it, fire boy.
Little water bug.
He swallowed them both.
With the Gormstone.
Right. We have to go after it.
You're insane.
Fire Spitter can't possess that Gormstone no matter what.
Aren't you forgetting that he and Piran were lunch for that thing?
Gotta find out if they survived. Hey, Klaxi! Or whatever your name is, over here! Lead or follow, Airlord, but I'm going in there.
I will avenge the throne! I will not allow this affront to...
Great, just great. The menu is now surf and turf. Huh? Hey, Krusty, how about dessert?
The belly of the beast? Now I got a first-hand view!
So your ancient sacred rite is to battle the creature who has already managed to swallow you whole?
That's our tradition, Fire Spitter.
The truth is, whomever retrieves the Gormstone from the Klaxis will be the new king and water lord.
You better stand back, Piran. We'll handle this.
Time to call in some reinforcements. Quantinus Vision!
What do you see? I've got nothing.
Me too. When we can't see the hidden water Gormiti, we're going to have to do this the hard way.
Wait!
How am I supposed to stop him with you in my way?
Make room for a real warrior.
Stop arguing. My kingdom is counting on both of you.
Chew on this, fools! Let's see you try and stop me from keeping the Gormstone. Huh? Little fish. Without the Gormstone, water Gormiti are weak.
Stop it! I won't let you harm innocent creatures. You'll face my wrath.
So, the fish has some guts after all, but no brains. What are you going to do, little fish? Splash me?
I was just distracting you.
Piran, the stone!
It's yours.
My brother should be king, not me.
I will claim the power.
Piran, there will be no kingdom for you or your brother. Think!
You are wasting your breath, Turtling. There is only one true power, Lord Magor.
Stop! I command you!
What makes you think you can command me?
You know what to do!
Unleash the power of water!
His transformation is complete.
Create the King's Trident. Surrender, Fire Demon, and we will let you leave with your honor.
No, Piran, you can't do that!
Never!
I was kind of hoping you'd say that.
Fools, with all your power, you still won't stop me. You're too busy stopping yourselves.
He's right, you know. If we don't work as a team, we'll be defeated.
Let's do it, partner.
Drive him to the right!
Keep going. We've almost got it.
Mighty Rock Ball!
Furious wind twist!
Use Quantinus Visor!
Yes, I know of that secret. Quantinus Vision. Little ones, help your brother rid himself of his heartburn and bring him peace.
I think this was creepy if it wasn't so cool.
Yeah, but I didn't plan on going surfing today!
I think we really made it mad this time.
Then we have to fight it and prove we're the better warriors!
Stop, my friends. I told you, he's like a pet.
Has he calmed down?
It's all right now.
But where's Fire Spitter? He's gone!
How could that be?
Even if he did, he didn't get what he came for, thanks to you. Both of you.
Can you believe we were inside that thing? That was disgusting.
Don't remind me. But I guess we were wrong about you, Piran.
What do you mean, we?
I thank you both for helping me see my true mission.
It's true what they say. It's good to be king, right?
I wouldn't know.
My king!
You know this is only the beginning. Lord Magor will send others to come and take your Gormstone.
You need to come with us and take the fight to him.
I can't leave my people without a king. My first act will be my last. There's only one way to handle this. People, hear my decree. I give my throne to Duran.
Are you sure?
You are smart and brave and will rule well. I leave our kingdom and offer my skills to help ensure peace for us and all free Gormiti.
I will be a ruler worthy of our kingdom.
My fellow warriors, we have a world to save. And I, for one, am going to do my part to save it.
Let's go! What are we waiting for?
Air, earth, and water working together. I like the sound of that.
Why not earth, water, and air?
I just assumed it would be water, air, and earth in that order.
My lord, my opponents, I almost had them. Give me another shot and...
Silence, you idiot!
How did the young lords find out that you wanted to take the Gormstone? They must have received help, your majesty. I can't imagine any other way. I wonder from whom.